Excellencies, distinguished guests, friends and colleagues, as the outset, all of me express my appreciation to the UNIDO in organizing 21st session for General Conference of Riyadh, Kingdom Saudi Arabia. It is very important for the world to see the advantages and great potential of my country, Tajikistan. I wish everyone fruitful discussions and success. I'm confident this today's forum will provide experts, business and the private sector with opportunities to establish cooperative relation and promote the development of the mining industry. Tajikistan is endowed with great natural resources. First of all, water resources, green energy production, secondly, metals, minerals, critical raw materials, and huge human resources. Tajikistan has the highest average annual economic growth in the region, over 8%. 98% of energy generated in my country in green hydropower, and 93% of the country's mountains filled with all the elements of the period table. Our country has all the critical metals and rare earth minerals that are of great demand of the world to transition to green economy. Energy and mining sector complement one another by making Tajikistan an advocate for CO2 emission reduction in the region. Our hydro energy output is 527 billion kilowatts, and we are currently in final phase of constructing one of the world's largest hydropower plant, nearly 4 gigawatts. Our industrial growth is averaged 20% of the last 5 years, focusing on mining and processing of metals and increasing the production of cotton and textile products. The government also initiated 4 national strategy of rapid industrialization. Until 2026, industry will double its output and create 500,000 new jobs with process. Tajikistan has 800 different deposits for metals and minerals, 100 currently in operation now. They include nickel, lithium, antimony, copper, tungsten, tin, lead, zinc, and rare earth metals. Industrial sector is also the most attractive sector of foreign investment due to very diverse areas of interest ensured by green energy certification and young labor force. Tajikistan is top 3 global producer of very important for green transition metals. Antimony is ready to work with partners including in US, Europe, Japan, China and Gulf to supply key minerals from USGC, the critical list, increasing rare earth, antimony, silver and tungsten. Moreover, Tajikistan is ready to host rare earth processing. We already have 2 rare metals processing assets, the Tamokhush hydrometallurgical plant and Lenabad rare earth metals plant. The country actively participated in the initiative of the European Union's Critical Raw Materials Club and the United States Mineral Security Partnership, contributing to the exchange of expertise, the attraction of foreign investment into the mining sector, and the development of the resilient supply chain for rare earth metals and critical minerals. 70% of the country's population is under 35 years old. Annual growth is nearly 3%, who also speak several languages. The ratification of GSP Plus and other similar schemes in the final stage, our product will be converted to Europe duty-free, and the carbon tax are already implemented. Tajikistan is even more an attractive place to invest in. To ensure investment protection, the government provided investment agreement ratified by Parliament, provide many incentives for taxation, and we are a member of WTO and the New York Convention for Arbitration. We welcome any investment in the industrial sector of my country. Tajikistan is already leading in many aspects of there's so much more to explore and exploit. Opportunities are endless. Thank you for your time and wishing everyone a productive conference. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Minister. The next speaker on my list